Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 94 Hill Road in Kennoway. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom end terrace property, really spacious with a summer house to the rear, conservatory and a high standard kitchen and bathroom ready to move in. You're also getting gorgeous countryside views to the front as you're tucked right at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. Now what I'm going to do is start by showing you those views, take you on the tour inside and then keep listening until the end for how to get further detail. Okay, so this is your property here, number 94. So as you can see, end terrace tucked right at the end. So you just access off the main road there along here and this is your property. So right at the end, really quiet. And then the outlook that I wanted to show you is these gorgeous countryside views, completely unobstructed. And this is the view that you get sitting in your living room from also your main bedroom as well. So it's so peaceful here, it's just lovely. You can probably hear the birds in the background, but what an amazing outlook. I'll get in a great property. So we're going to head inside and start the tour. As always, we're going to work upstairs and make our way down. Now there is access down to the side of the property and to the garden, but we're going to head inside. So straight away you come into your entrance hallway, which we are going to come back down to. So let's start upstairs. So you have your 3 bedrooms and family bathroom upstairs. Now straight away in the hallway you can see large cupboard space, so ample storage. We're going to start in the main bedroom. Really generous size rooms, which you'll be able to see for yourself straight away. So this is bedroom number 1. Great size, nice and bright as well, which I love. You've got space there for a wardrobe. And then what is great, as I say, is you do have your countryside views to the front. Isn't that just amazing for an outlook when you wake up every morning? So this is your main bedroom, great sized bedroom. We then come into your second bedroom. So again, a really good size, nice and bright, which is a theme with all of the rooms in this property. So you've got ample space. And then you come along into your third and final room. So you can see that you're getting 3 really generous size double rooms with plenty of space for all your bedroom furniture. And what's great about this one as well is you're spoilt with countryside views to the rear. So that is the rear view for your property. Then we have your family bathroom. So just through this door here, you come into a really high standard contemporary bathroom. So you've got plenty of space here for storage, wash hand basin, vanity unit, heated towel rail, WC, and then a large walk-in thermostatic shower. As I say, high standard, love the marble tiles and the colours that have been used in here. So lovely contemporary bathroom. So then let's head downstairs. And I cannot wait to show you the kitchen that comes with this property. So we come into your entrance hallway. Okay, so on our first door on our left, you have your downstairs WC, which you maybe weren't expecting. So it's a great addition for the property. Perfect if you have guests over. So that's your high standard contemporary WC in there. Then just a storage cupboard on our left also. And what's great is this space here. I love this space because you could really utilise it to make it work for you, whether you do built-in storage, whether you work from home and you want to have a desk built into that space, but you've got options, which is perfect. Now that was a slight sneak peek at the kitchen, but we're going to come back to that because I absolutely love it. But this is such a great room that I also want to really showcase. So this is an open plan living dining. Great sized room, plenty of space for family, friends and socialising. And something else that I love is the countryside views to the front. So we really are spoilt with this one. You can just position yourself perfectly on the sofa just there and that is your outlook, watching the sunset go down on an evening. But this is your open plan living dining. Great space, and especially having those patio doors to the rear, because you can just imagine those open in the summer months and just being able to have family and friends coming in and out, whether you're having a barbecue, whether you're having a garden party. But this is a great sized room. And then saving the best till nearly last is your really high standard modern kitchen. So newly renovated, you have your downlighters, you have that, love the colour scheme as well, really modern with the marble effect. You have your integrated hob, extractor and oven. And then what's great as well is having this right in the centre. It's almost the heart of the home, the big island. So ample cupboard space. But this is your high standard kitchen. And then it has the outlook into your conservatory. But this is just a great kitchen. Ready to move, ready to go into. And then, as I say, you have then stepping into your conservatory, another great reception room, whether you use it as another seating area, whether you use it as a home office, whether you have it as a playroom for the children, your outlook into the garden. But this is your conservatory space. So it's a great addition, but plenty of space for socialising and family and friends. So another exit point into your garden. So let's head outside and show you the garden. So stepping out of the conservatory, you come to your large decked area. Plenty of outdoor space with this property. So you have the exit just coming out of the conservatory, and then don't forget you also have those patio doors that you could have open coming off your dining room. So you have this large decked area, so plenty of space for your outdoor seating. And then what I love as well is the great addition of this summer house. So you have the bar that you can see there, seating area, but this is such a great addition, and I'm sure we'll get plenty of use in the summer months, whether you want to use it as a bar still, whether you want to turn it into a home office, study, or whether you want to do crafting. But this is a great addition, especially having all this outdoor space. And then you come down and you have further garden space with your chipped paved area. You've got all of this as well, plus you've got outdoor storage with your timber shed. Also you have the outbuilding here, and then just peeking over the fence there we have the countryside views as well. And then don't forget you have access back round to the front of your property. So this is the rear. But isn't it just great, especially having that addition of the summer house. That was the personal property tour for 94 Hill Road in Kennoway. As you've just seen, a fantastic, really spacious 3-bedroom end terrace property tucked away right at the end, so really quiet while getting these gorgeous countryside views to the front and to the rear. 3 really generous sized double bedrooms, high standard contemporary kitchen, coming downstairs into that gorgeous high standard newly renovated kitchen, that big beautiful open plan living dining space while stepping into your conservatory, plus the addition of that summer house. So if you'd like to get further details for this property, you can either click the link on the video, message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties TV, take care.